Hi everyone, in this quick video I just wanted to show you how you can use Alexa or the voice search on a Panasonic TV running Fire TV OS. All we need to do is use the microphone button on the remote control and then speak into the remote on the top right side of the remote. Let's do a quick test, which is classic, just checking the weather. What's the weather like in London? The TV will now look for this.
It's 21 degrees Celsius with mostly sunny skies. Tonight's forecast has mostly clear skies with a low of 14 degrees.
Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. We can try something else as well. Let's say we'd like to go to the TV aerial input. And as we're watching TV, we'd like to change the volume, for example. We can use that the same. Let's say we'd like to actually lower the volume. Please lower the volume to 10. There we go. Let's try again. Please increase the volume to 50.
Call Distinct Promotions for a free guide on 0800.
Please mute. There we go. And those are just some really basic use cases for using this function. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.